Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin to enable search of YouTube transcripts, financial data sources and Google search results. Alright, so first let's talk about some use cases of the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin. I have a full tutorial on my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and in that I talk about some use cases. So I have listed out 8 use cases for the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin. If you want to also read this article, you can check out the link in the description below. So as you can see, you can use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin for doing real-time web search. So you can use VoxScript to perform real-time web searches using Google or DuckDuckGo. So as you might know, the web browsing plugin uses Bing, but if you want to use Google or DuckDuckGo, you can also do that using the VoxScript plugin. Then you can also get news and financial data using the plugin. So you can get news about specific ticker symbols as well as financial data for US equities. You can also get historical pricing data for US equities and cryptocurrencies. You can also use to retrieve website content from websites. So you can use the VoxScript plugin to retrieve real-time website content, which can be used for reading articles, blog posts, and other web content directly within the chat. You can use it to get data about YouTube videos, including their transcript. So you can use this VoxScript plugin to summarize YouTube videos. You can also use it for Pastebin content retrieval. So if you need to retrieve tracks from Pastebin, GitHub, or reentry.co, you can also use VoxScript for that. And there are some other use cases here. I also have a section on the best ChatGPT prompts that you can use the VoxScript plugin with. As I mentioned, you can check out the article here and there are some use cases here. And also I have a full database of all ChatGPT plugins, and all plugins there have example prompts. So you can also check out this full database. I will link out the URL to this ChatGPT plugin database that you can get for absolutely free and see all ChatGPT plugins that are currently available in the ChatGPT store and what kind of prompts you can use these ChatGPT plugins with. But let's see an example for this VoxScript plugin. So first, if you want to use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin, you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, because currently only Plus subscribers are able to access and use third-party plugins. Next, you also have to make sure that the plugins are enabled in your ChatGPT account, and you can check that by clicking on your account name and selecting settings and selecting beta features, and make sure that the plugins toggle is turned on here so you can access plugins. Then you have to make sure that the plugin is installed in your account, so the VoxScript plugin. You can check that by clicking on new chat, selecting the GPT-4 model, then selecting plugins, and clicking on this plugin icon section here on the drop down. Then if the plugin is installed, it's alright, but if it's not, you can scroll down and select plugin store here and then install the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin. So find the plugin and make sure that it is installed. So I can see the uninstall button, so it means that it's installed for me. Now, last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin. So only 3 plugins can be enabled at the same time. But if the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin is not enabled, you have to check the checkbox here, and then you're going to be able to use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin. Then let's see an example prompt how you can use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin. So one of the limitations of ChatGPT has been until so far that you cannot get real-time data or historical data after 2021. But with the plugins like VoxScript, you're going to be able to use it for instance, to get Bitcoin price. And this is the example we're going to see here. So using this plugin, we're going to get the historical prices of Bitcoin from January 2023 to May 2023. And as you can see, you don't have to even refer to the plugin. If the plugin is enabled and you're using natural language, then the plugin will be automatically enabled and activated when you are adding a new ChatGPT prompt. So let's click on execute and see if the plugin is working. So as you can see, the plugin is activated because we can see this green cell. We can click on the down arrow and see what the plugin is doing. So as you can see, it uses the BTC ticker, the start date, the end date, and time span is day. So you can use this to change for monthly. You can change the end date and start date. And here's the response. And as you can see, we get the historical prices from Bitcoin from January 2023 to May 2023. And here it gives us a weekly breakdown. But of course, if you want, you can get a daily breakdown, monthly breakdown, or anything like that. But all in all, this is how to use the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin to get historical prices for cryptocurrencies or stock market indexes, and as we have shown in this tutorial, for many other use cases. As I mentioned, if you want to get the full prompt database for this ChatGPT plugin, you can check out the article in the description below. You can also get the full database of the currently available ChatGPT plugins for absolutely free. And if you want to learn more about a specific ChatGPT plugin, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, where I have a ton of tutorial on how to use certain ChatGPT plugins.